Hello and welcome to Ben's Ramblings. Today we're making Shishito peppers. Let's get started. I got these at Costco. They come in this package. There's some clear cellophane on top. They came with some olive oil and sea salt. I'm going to use my own olive oil and sea salt. I know what quality is. I don't know the quality that came in here. I rinsed them right in this bowl. There are holes in it. When you add the oil to these, do not use this bowl. They will drain all the oil out all over everything. Don't ask how I know. We're gonna put these right in a bowl and we're gonna just drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Don't need much. And we're gonna put them on the Blackstone. Let's go. I've got the middle two burners on medium high. The outside two burners are off. I did have them all on high while I was heating it up. The idea is we want to blister these peppers, and that's basically it. They're a perfect snack. A great low-calorie snack. No sugar, that kind of thing. So if you're looking for a keto-friendly solution for a snack, something a little different, this is a good option. We're gonna let them sit for a few minutes and we'll just keep tossing them. We want them to char up. So nice and high heat. I actually put those two middle burners back on high. The two outside burners are off right now. The cool thing about these peppers is they're not a spicy pepper, so you can obviously add anything to these that you want. If you want to give them a more Asian flair, add some soy sauce, garlic, ginger. I'm gonna keep these real simple, just the olive oil and sea salt. You could add red pepper flake, whatever you want. About 1 in 10 does have a little bit of heat. It's not anything excessive. It doesn't even approach a jalapeno, but 1 in 10 does have some heat, but for the most part, they are mild. All right, let's toss them around and see how they look. Oh, that guy tried to get away. You can see we're starting to get some char on these. That's exactly what we want. So that's exactly what we want. We're just going to let them go longer. We'll keep tossing them every so often until they have that char and they've softened up enough. So we're almost there. These have been going for about 10 minutes or so. Again, you just want to get them blistered up and softened a little bit, and they're almost done. The last thing we're going to do is sprinkle them with some sea salt. Give them another minute or so. We'll do that. We'll throw them back in the bowl that they were in, and they're ready to eat. All right, these are all done. I'm going to sprinkle them with some sea salt, and we'll take them off. We'll probably add a little more once we get them in the bowl. Let's see how they are. So obviously I did these on the Blackstone. You could do them in a frying pan. You could do them in the oven under the broiler or on high heat. On the grill, they're great too. So a great little snack, low fat, low carb, obviously, definitely keto friendly. Let's give them a little more sprinkle of salt. And let's give them a try. Cheers. Great taste. You know, again, sweet, not like a green pepper. Similar, but a little bit of a different taste than a bell pepper. That salt just adds a nice little extra taste to it, and nice and soft. Give these a try. If you like this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell.
Ding ding.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.